video, I'm going to show you how to clean a bathtub really good. Let me get my apron on and we'll get started. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach traditional homemaking for today's woman. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, subscribe and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's get it started. The first thing I'm going to do is spray it down with a little bit of multi-purpose cleaner. And right now I am loving the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Mint scent. But if you want to use a natural product, which I do sometimes, you can make your own with maybe 1/3 vinegar, 1/3 water, and 1/3 Dawn dishwashing liquid, because the Dawn's a great degreaser. And one of the things that you get in tubs is the little grubby ring around the tub that comes from body oils and products and different things like that. And sometimes that's a little bit harder to get out. So if you use a combination of the Dawn, the vinegar, and the water, that'll take that right out. And what you'd want to do is spray it on there. To get it started. That way, if you've got any kind of recalcitrant ring there, it can start working on that. Spraying the handle, and then spray the walls. And you can always use a little bit of baking soda if you need to. So you could sprinkle a little baking soda in the tub. And that works out, and there's not a problem using baking soda and vinegar together. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, I'm going to use my sponge and kind of get things started, getting those walls washed. And if I need to add more products, I can. So let's get that started. Of the bathtub surround, I'm going to use a vinegar and water cleaner that I've been working with. It's got the vinegar, the Dawn, and the water, and I just want you to see the difference. And I think I really like the vinegar combination a lot better. And I think the reason why I like the vinegar and water combination is because it gets wetter and I can see the soap suds and all of that. Now, does one get it in a cleaner than the other? I don't think so, but the vinegar and water and the vinegar, water, and Dawn combination is what I've been using most recently. But I do use the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner from time to time, so I thought I would just show you both. And then you can decide which one you want to use. Now, once you've got the tub and surround all clean, then you need to rinse it down. If you don't have a handheld device that you can take and spray all around, you can just use a spray bottle of water like this and just spray like that and then just wipe it down. So this is just plain water. So you can just spray like that and then just dry it like that. But since I have a handheld device, I'm going to use it. So I'll get this area all rinsed off, including the tub. and then I'll dry it down. That was a workout, but I now have a beautifully cleaned bathtub and I am very pleased. And this is not something that I do every day. For the most part, on a day-to-day basis, I'll just spray the tub down with a daily shower cleaner. But once a week, as part of my cleaning routine, I will clean the tub in entirety. Now let's just talk a little bit about the products that I showed you that I used. The first one was just a Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner, and it has a lovely mint scent, and I like it in the bathroom, and it does a beautiful job, and I love it. On the other hand, I have been trying to go with a few more natural products. So if I've got kind of a grubby ring around the tub or something that, let's say the hubby has had to clean something and he cleaned it in the tub, then sometimes I need something that I can scrub with, and I'll go with baking soda for that. However, you can use something like this Bon Ami as a scrubber in your tub. It is lightly abrasive, but it really doesn't harm your tub. So that's another option for you. Comet, Ajax, they're all in the same kind of family. So you can use one of those to clean your tub if you've got a really grubby area. Now, one of the things that I've seen too, when people have moved into a new apartment, sometimes the tub is not quite as clean as they would like. And so you might have to resort to something like this to get it as clean as you want. Now, the other thing that I've got in this little spray bottle, and my husband put this label on it, it's just a vinegar and water and Dawn detergent cleaner. I usually buy the blue or the green Dawn, so that's accounts for the mint green color. But it's equal parts water, equal parts Dawn, equal parts vinegar, and you just put it in a bottle, mix it up, and it is a wonderful all-purpose cleaner. But it is quite soapy, as you saw when I showed you on this wall. It is quite soapy, and I kind of like that. You know, I'm old school enough to equate seeing the soap suds with clean, even though with today's cleaning products, you don't have to see all of that. So that's what I used to clean my bathtub today, and I've done a really good job. So on this side, I use the multi-purpose cleaner, and on this side, I used my natural product of vinegar, water, and Dawn dishwashing liquid, and they both did a beautiful job. So the hardest thing for you is going to be to decide what is it that you want to use to clean your bathroom, clean your bathtub with, and then making sure you have those supplies on hand. And I wholeheartedly recommend having a little cleaning caddy that you keep all those supplies in. Let me show you mine. This is the cleaning caddy that I keep upstairs, and it has all the things in it that I need to clean when I'm cleaning upstairs. So this is just another bottle of multi-purpose cleaner. It is the microcosmic antibacterial probiotic multi-purpose cleaner in soft mint. I've got a room freshener, the verbena and eucalyptus rejuvenate room and linen spray. A couple of different boxes of the tub and tile cleaner from the Grove Collaborative, and I put that in this spray bottle here. Of course, my baking soda, a toothbrush that I can use for scrubbing around crevices and corners, some rubber gloves, and then here is my Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Lemon and Verbena glass cleaner, my Mrs. Meyer's Mint multi-surface cleaner, and then of course, you know, my glass spray bottle, and then the Method antibacterial toilet bowl cleaner in the spearmint scent. As you can tell, I tend to like mint. And then of course my vinegar cleaner. This is a combination of the vinegar, Dawn, and water. I also like to have some extra sponges in there. And then of course, some paper towels. Now let me just share one more thing, and that is about shower curtains. My shower curtain is down right now. I will be putting that back up. It was just a little difficult to film in here with the curtain in place. But when you do have a shower curtain, you want to make sure that your liner that fits on the tub side is one that you can take down and wash from time to time. And the other thing I would suggest is that you keep the shower curtain completely closed, because when it stays just kind of snugged up on one side of the bathtub, down at the bottom it can stay moist and then mold can kind of grow there, and you don't want that to happen. So you want to have it completely closed. So I hope you enjoyed watching me clean my bathtub. I got a pretty good workout. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling it right now. If you like this video, I encourage you to come back and see my video on how to clean a toilet really good, or how to clean a bathroom really good, where I clean all the areas in the bathroom. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children and I've managed a home for more than 45 years. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, I'll go ahead and get my shower curtain put back up, and then I'll pull it back so that you can see what I mean. But like I said, you want to make sure that you do choose a liner that at least once a month you take down and you throw it in your washing machine with a little bit of bleach, so that you don't accumulate any mold or mildew on the bottom of that shower liner. The shower curtain itself hangs on the outside of the tub, so it's usually not a problem. This is the inner shower curtain liner, and if I'm taking baths and not showers, I'll just leave the whole caboodle on the outside of the tub. But if I'm taking showers, then I need to have this on the inside of the tub. So if that's the case, when it's inside the tub like that, I make sure that I leave the curtain pulled all the way across so that it can dry and not develop mildew. So, there you go. Right now I feel like I've got the cleanest bathtub in the West. Or shall I say the Midwest.